High-level bridge. High-level bridge is a railway bridge spanning the River Tyne between Newcastle upon Tyne and Gateshead. It was designed by Robert Stephenson, an engineer heavily involved in locomotive design. It was built between 1847 and 1849, with the railway above opening in 1849 and the roadway opening in 1850. It is the first major example of a wrought iron tied arch bridge. Before High-level bridge was built, the only bridge connecting Newcastle and Gateshead was the Old Bridge, a stone bridge built in 1781. This was a low-level bridge and was replaced by the swing bridge in 1876. High-level bridge is made of cast iron, wrought iron and stone, combining the ideas of Benjamin Green, who earlier proposed a design for a stone bridge 90 feet above the river, with an iron superstructure to carry the railway 29 feet above this. Stephenson instead proposed to use iron and steel together to create the bridge that is there today. Instead, cast iron arch ribs are used to span between the stone piers. The bridge is 118 feet above the water, with a width of just over 39 feet and a length of just over 750 feet. It is divided into 6 main spans, each around 125 feet. The main purpose is as a railway bridge, and most importantly, it was able to connect London to Newcastle. It also increased trade, helping further influence the success of Richard Granger's new commercial centre. In February of 2005, the bridge closed to traffic for restoration work. The bridge did not reopen until June 2008, as cracks were found in some of its iron girders. The footpath also closed in 2006 due to the scale of work needed and continued vandalism. Nowadays, only taxis and buses can use the roadway on the bridge, and only southbound towards Gateshead. The footpath, both northbound and southbound, was also reopened. The addition of the King Edward VII Bridge in 1906 allowed further development of the railway in Newcastle, as this railway bridge allowed trains to continue without having to reverse and leave the same way they had entered.